Aisha, any question please from Germany? No? Not this time.
Next time.
I think the mail is late, it's still on the way. Your letters from Germany are still on the way.
Inshallah.
Yes, okay. Please.
I have a question from Germany.
Again, from Germany?
Yes.
Oh, mashallah. She has taken over from you.
A brother asked that Maulana Rumi is a well-known Sufi in Turkey, and he is highly respected all over the Islamic country.
Yes.
Did Hazrat Masih Maud mention him in his books? The second part of his question. Dr. Iqbal claims to be a special pupil of Maulana Rumi. Is it true to say that? And what is the relationship between the two?
Hazrat Masih Maud, first of all, question please. Hazrat Masih Maud was most certainly not a murid or a pupil of Maulana Rumi, because he has not quoted him alone. In his vast literature, he has quoted many great scholars of Islam which passed away before him. And whenever he liked something especially, he remembered it and to quote it in the right context, in the argument which he was building, or in a story which he was telling, to improve the moral character of people. In this second context, the moral character, Hazrat Masih Maud understood Maulana Rumi much better than many of his pupils, because he went to the very depth of his argument and proved from there that this is Maulana Rumi, this is what he requires you to do. And when you read Maulana Rumi from the pen of Hazrat Masih Maud, he acquires a greater status than before in the eyes of those who respect him. Otherwise, many started following him literally or taking his episodes literally, which was a cruelty to Maulana Rumi. If such attempts to understand him literally were not condemned by Masih Maud and were not corrected by a better understanding of what he said, then sometimes you read his book, Masnavi, and you come across such tales which horrify people, which horrify the ladies in particular, how he describes things. I know from my own experience that a Pakistani who claimed to be interested in religion, he once came to me with such expression of horror on his face. I said, "What has happened to you?" He said, "What? I have read Maulana Rumi, and I have read that and that chapter." Gosh, he said, if this is piety and this is Sufism, then I absolve myself from all piety and all Sufism. So Maulana Rumi, as presented by Hazrat Masih Maud is not that Maulana of allegories and parables. He delves deeper into the meaning of those allegories and those parables and brings forth the message of Maulana Rumi so purely and so clearly that there is no ambiguity left. Then you begin to respect him much better than if you had read him without the help of Hazrat Masih Maud. That is what he has done and that is what he has written. I don't know what the questioner has in his mind, but as I have read Masih Maud, I believe that he loved Maulana Rumi for his profound knowledge and respect of Islam and for that of the Holy Prophet.